Hey all, guess what we're doing today? A cooking show. So anyways, what today we're going to do is we're going to make ourselves Bill Pepper, that's me, chicken pot pie. We got ourselves a couple of rotisserie chickens. Those are delicious. We got some jarred gravy, jarred gravy. We got a couple of these amazing, really good pie crusts. And we are going to run with these mixed vegetables. Now, just before I go any further, if you don't like peas, don't put peas in it. If you don't like what else is in here? Corn or any of these other veggies that you can see on this can. Put whatever the hell you want in there. Nobody gives a shit. I'll be back in a minute. Well, for you, a second with more. Later, bitches. So as you can see here, I broke down one of my chickens. Look at that. Don't worry about the amazing camera work. The camera guy really sucks. But bones. The dogs love the skin. We're gonna give that to the dogs because we don't want to put that in our. It'll make your pie too greasy, and you don't want a greasy pie because there's enough of that going around. But so yeah, just cut that chicken the way you want it. Just give it one of those. And I did dismember it off camera because you don't want to see that happening. I mean, most of the time I'm licking my fingers and getting it's good. How could look at this? This is rotisserie. Oh my freaking god, it's so good. But I'll be back with more for a second for you later. And here we go for some more. You know what? I can't wait to see how my editing ends up. Oh, wait a minute. I don't even freaking edit. I don't use AI. Well, I do use AI, but not in this kind of video. So what you're going to want to do now is you want to grab your chicken. Add that to the bowl. And I'll give you a better viewing of it. Oh, I chopped it up the best, the way I like it. Oh, look at that. Ooh, again. This frickin' rotisserie chicken. Got my canned vegetables. Put that in there. Got another one. That should be good. One thing you're going to learn is I don't do anything by measurement. I do everything by visual. So I'm going to put as much chicken as I want, as much veggie as I want. And listen, little secret for you. Doesn't matter what you use for a gravy, as long as it's some type of bird. And I find that the roast turkey, fucking get out of there. This is definitely not a children's cooking video, but this is my first time. Do I need another one? Oh, wait a minute. It's chicken. Oh, Jesus Christ, that was a lot. That might have been too much, but that's all right because you know what? We got another whole chicken. We got more veggies. I got a bunch of pie crusts. I'm going to do 2 pies because 1 is enough for the household. Do I dump another can of veggies in? Do I do it? Oh, yeah. So, once you get all that good, I am not a very good person doing a cooking show, but you want to grab yourself a spoon, like, hey, and give that all a nice, you really can't do it, but I'm just going to give it a good mix. And like I said, everything for me is by feel, by taste, by look. I mean, you ain't gonna ever see me pick up a fucking measuring cup because I don't really see the point. I mean, it's common. Oh wow, that's looking really good. That's almost a consistency. Now, what I did learn. I'm sorry, it's a kitchen no-no. Is too much gravy is a bad thing because if you put too much gravy in, what are you gonna have? Soupy pie. And it's going to be good. That's looking pretty good. I think, oh God, do I need to cut up another chicken? This might be enough for 2 pies. We'll be back. Seconds for you. Not even seconds. I'll be right here. But anyways, hopefully you like my video and you subscribe, you follow, whatever it is. And I'll make tons of these, but I'm not going to do this shit for 2 people. Well, maybe I will because, 2 people's better than no people at all. But anyways, I'll be back for more of this exciting. This is going to be awesome. You're going to love it. Well, here we are. Got our crust in our pan. Nothing fancy there. We're going to set our oven to, I don't know, the box says like 3. Now the box says 450, but just read the box. I'm going to put mine on 350 because I'm in no hurry. I'm going to take my crust. I'm going to take all my goodness here. Check it out. I'm going to scrape that right in there. Oh, Jesus Christ, almost dropped it. Don't drop it. Just put it right in there. I think that's pretty good. You know what? Don't be afraid to just put it right in there. Yeah. Now, for all you ladies out there, younger generation, that don't know how to cook or even boil water, this is a good one for you, kids. This is a good one for you. Let me tell you. I did it again. I don't really give a fuck. It's my family, my home. I'll eat. I'll touch my food. Put that on top. Boom. Give it a little smudge all the way around. And yes, for you ladies that don't know how to cook, because nobody ever taught you, this is perfect. Let me tell you. You make this meal for your man. Don't tell him how you did it. Just say, hey, made you some chicken pot pie, babe. This ain't the only pie he's eating that night. Ooh, that's disgusting. Anyways, so I like to roll my edges around. So I like to do this all the way around. We'll give it a looky. And once you got that all the way around, I like to put a thin layer of aluminum foil around the crust, because if you don't, it'll burn and it'll be shitty. So I'm going to finish this up, do my foil, throw it in my oven. We'll pull this bitch out in a little while and you tell me what you think.